Freddie Aguilar. Kaya, isipin ninyo. Baka akala ninyo Freddie Aguilar is, because he does not talk in English, that Freddie Aguilar is a brilliant man. A songwriter could only be brilliant, period. Kasi magganong ka ng gitara o piano, then there's a note there, tan, 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 tan. Then you write ang words, tan, tan. I-rhyme mo, there is a cadence. Tapos, if one could merge lyrics with a tune, you have to be a bright person. Mga bright yan. Yung iba nga siguro anak lang ng mahirap. Pati makombine mo yung tune, pati yung salita at gawain mong kanta. You have to be a brilliant man. My God, ganun lang yung Freddie Aguilar na yan, pero bright yan. At marunong mag-English yan. But you know what I want about him, Freddie Aguilar? Lahat ng kanta niya, konektado or has had yung iba relevance sa buhay natin. Wala pa yung listahan ng mga Pipi at Bingi, Magdalena. There is always a message na binibigay niya. And Freddie Aguilar is the only guy